Safely Back to School report. A Bixby public school teacher tests positive for coronavirus over the weekend as the first set of students return to the classroom today. 2 Works View's Vincent Hill spoke to a parent about their concerns about keeping their kids safe and how Bixby schools plan to manage that in the pandemic.
Yeah, Karen, we know that teacher is a 6th grade teacher here at North Intermediate. Now, the school district says they're doing plans to make sure the kids stay as safe as possible. Jamie Barnes was making last-minute back-to-school plans when she heard the news.
So I got an email yesterday stating that a teacher who had been up at the school had come down with COVID and been tested and came back positive.
She has 2 children who attend Bixby Public Schools, including a 6th grader at North Intermediate. She's concerned how easy her children can catch coronavirus.
That's my biggest concern, is the domino effect of when my kid goes to school and somebody else has it, so then my child has to come home and quarantine.
Bixby Public School Superintendent Rob Miller says making adjustments to the new norm has been challenging, but the district has put protocols in place.
Every classroom has hand sanitizer and disinfecting bottles so teachers can clean their desks and hard surfaces.
Smaller class sizes, spaced out desks. Students and teachers must wear masks in the classroom, hallways, and common areas. Plexiglass is in place in the offices to prevent transfer. Parents and visitors are not allowed past the office. The library is limited to online checkout only. As for transportation to and from school,
we sanitize the buses between routes, really just commonly touched surfaces like the top of chairs, that sort of thing. And then at the end of the day, we're doing a deep clean of every single bus every day.
The district has substitute teachers on standby, ready to step into the classroom if a teacher does become sick. Miller says, based on guidance from the Tulsa Health Department, the school is not doing temperature checks when students arrive to prevent large gatherings at the entry. And neither teachers or students are being tested for coronavirus.
So we've been pretty insistent that families do temperature checks and checks of symptoms prior to putting their child on a bus or bringing them to school.
However, there is nothing in place to make sure that's being done, which is concerning to Jamie.
There's a whole list of things you're supposed to do before school. Do I think parents will do it? No, I don't.
The superintendent says he realizes there will be more cases, but he says he feels the protocols that they have in place will reduce that number. Now, coming up tonight at 6, the changes in the lunch line students are doing to make sure they stay safe. In Bixby, Vincent Hill, 2 Works for You.